Hey loves, welcome to yet another tutorial. For those who are new here, my name is Samantha, and today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely crochet ruffle hat. Yes, I know I'm late to the party, but better late than never. So let's dive right into it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to make a magic chain, which is sort of a ring. Just make your magic chain, and then you'll take your hook, your crochet hook, pull the remaining yarn like that, as you can see on my screen, and you're going to chain 3 on the first one. 1, 2, 3, like that. So next you're going to be making 12 double crochets all around the magic chain. So take your yarn, pull through the first 2 loops, pull through the second 2 loops. So continue with that pattern of double crochet all around until you make your 12 double crochets until the end. So I'll meet you once you're done with the 12 double crochets all around. So what you're going to do now, you're going to fasten the remaining part of the magic chain. Mine is coming off a bit off, but you can just hide it that as we continue. So we're going to take this end of the 12th double crochet and the first double crochet, and you're going to attach it there. So just insert your hook on the top of the first double crochet that we made initially, and take your yarn, pull through, and it's like that. As you can see, it's now like a little table chain. So you're going to chain 3, and now we are going to be making 2 double crochets in each of the 12 double crochets we did. So in the first chain, inside there, we're going to make another half double crochet. So this will serve as 2 double crochets. Then we're going to make 2 double crochets in the next 12 double crochets that we initially made. So 2 double crochets in each stitch, 2 double crochets in each stitch. So continue with that pattern of 2 double crochets in each stitch until the end, and I'll meet you once you are done with your second row of 2 double crochets in each stitch. So you're going to now make 3 chains after the 2 double crochets in each stitch. Then that will be the final look of our second row. And now we're going to do our third row, which is 2 double crochets in one stitch, 1 double crochet on the other stitch. So the first, remember the first chain is now 2 double crochets. Then the second one, you're going to make 1 double crochet like that. Then the next stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So the pattern is 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet like that at the second one, and then the next stitch 1 double crochet. So remember the pattern, the third row for the pattern is 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. Kindly do not skip that because it might mess up with our pattern in the long run. So continue with that until the end of the third row. I'm just finalizing on the third row of the 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet pattern, and I'm going to attach my yarn right here on the top of the first initial stitch like that. Pull through your yarn, take it, and then pull through. So this is how our rows look like. Now for the fourth row, chain 3, and we're going to be doing 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all around for the fourth row. So 1 double crochet in each of the stitches that we made. So make the first stitch right there, double crochet, and then another double crochet in the next stitch. So we're going to be doing a continuous pattern of 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the single stitches that we made for row 3. So that will be the pattern for row 4. Remember, the pattern is 1 double crochet in each and every stitch that we made on the third row. Do that and I'll meet you once you're done with your 4th row of 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all around until the end there. Okay, so we're in the final stitch, so you're going to attach your yarn like that. That is the end of our 4th row. Chain 3, and we are going to be doing the 5th row with the double crochets in each stitch. So do another double crochet in the next stitch, do another double crochet in the next stitch like that, do another double crochet in the next stitch. So the pattern for this 5th row is double crochet in each stitch, double crochet in each stitch. Do not miss the pattern, double crochet in each and every stitch for the 5th row. So continue with that pattern of double crochet stitch in each row until I meet you at the end. So we are finalizing this 5th row, and touch your yarn like that, set your hook and attach. So this is how our rows look like so far, and I'm going to take my measuring tape so that I can know how far we are and with the width of the heart. And this is 4.5. So we've done a circle of 4.5, which is a total of 5 rows, but I want it to reach somewhere around 6 there, 7, depending on your head size. So I've added 3 more rows, which is an equivalent of 8 rows, and this is 6.5 width. So ensure that that is your measurement depending on your head size again. So the 8th row, remember those 8 rows we've done double crochets in each stitch. So for the 9th row, just chain 3, insert your hook like that, and make a half double crochet in there. So this pattern that you're going to make for the 9th row is a bit different. We are going to be working on the back loop only, and we are going to be using the pattern half double crochet. So what you're going, the intention for this pattern is to make that folding to come alive. So that is the back loop that you're going to use. Take your yarn, insert on that back loop, that side like that, and you'll pull your yarn over. Remember, this is the back loop of your yarn. We are going to be working with that. So make a half double crochet. So the pattern is half double crochet on the back loop only, and this is to make that folding part of the heart. So make half double crochets on the back loop only until the end of the pattern or of the row. So half double crochets on the back loop only. Okay, so continue with that, and I'm going to meet you once you're done with this pattern of half double crochets on the back loop part only. So you can see the folding is starting to come alive, and now what you're going to do is you're going to attach your yarn at the end of that 9th row or the folding part, and then you're going to chain 3 or make 3 chains. So ensure that you first confirm that that folding is according to your size and it's doing really well all around like that. And yeah, what you're going to do next for the 10th row, now we are going to be doing double crochets. The pattern is now going to change. Remember, half double crochet was only for the folding, so you're going to do double crochets in each and every stitch that we made for the folding part. So make the double crochets like that until the end of your 10th row. So I'll meet you once you're done with your double crochets for this 10th row. Remember, the double crochets are in each and every stitches that we made for the 9th row. So I did a total of 10 rows of the double crochets in each and every stitch, and this is how it looks like. That is where I was attaching my yarn from. So you can add more according to your cap size or your cap size or hat or your head. So this is how mine looks like, and let's take a measurement and see how much we've made from the half double crochet pattern. So it's a total of around 4 inches. So those 10 rows that we did now, the extra ones, the total of 4 inches, but you can add more. Again, I can debate on that depending on your client's head size or your head size. So what you're going to do next for this part is we are going to be doing the decrease. So you're just going to chain 1, and in that first stitch pull your yarn and slip stitch like that. So we're just going to do the decreases with the slip stitch pattern. So insert your hook, pull your yarn and pull through. So do the same for the rest. Insert your yarn, pull through, insert your yarn, pull through, insert your yarn again, pull through. So continue with this pattern of slip stitches until the end, and this is going to serve as our decrease. Remember, the decrease for this, I'm doing it from the bottom part of the hook. As you can see, I'm taking it from the the lowest part. So this is how it looks like, and we are at the end of our row, of our decrease row. Just going to pull my yarn like that, and I'm going to chain 2 first, but let me make 3, because I'm going to make my ruffles now. This is how the cape looks like when it is now decreased on that part. This part, actually, you can put your headband, or your elastic band, so that it can make fit in your head or on your head. So next, I'm just going to be making 3 double crochets in each of every stitch that we have, like that. Remember, this is now the ruffle part, so make extra if need be, and we're going to continue with that pattern. So basically, in each stitch you're going to be having 4 double crochets. So continue with that pattern of 4 double crochets for. So that concludes the first row of our ruffles, which is inclusive of 4 double crochets in each and every stitch. So you're going to attach your row like that, chain 3, and for our second row we will be doing, that is the second row for the ruffles, we will be doing the 3 double crochets in each stitch. So this is how our pattern looks like so far, and for that one, you're going to attach your yarn, insert your hook, and do 3 double crochets. 2 double crochets, so that it can include that it can make 3 double crochets in that first stitch. So do 3 double crochets in each and every stitch that we made on our first row of the ruffles. So second one, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet. So continue with that pattern until the very last end of our second row of the ruffles. I'll meet you once you're done with that. We are finalizing on our second row of ruffles, and you can see the ruffles are starting to come up. So what you're going to do is just going to attach the ends of your row like that. Set your hook, pull through like that simply, and that's how our second row looks like so far. And you can see the ruffles are really coming up, so you can decide to leave it at that if you don't want more ruffles. But if you want to go bigger or much better than this one, you can add more rows of 3 double crochets in each row. And this is how our final look is. I added one more row for me to achieve these more ruffles, but you can add more. So see you on my next post.